Hello, aspirants. Welcome to Aggravation for You. In this series of notifications and form fill ups, we are back again with the CFTRI 2025 application form. Do check the video till the end and know how to fill up the CFTRI 2025 application form without any errors because once an error, you can lose your seat forever. But before that, if you are new to our channel, do hit the subscribe button for more such updates. Moving on to the CFTRA application form, you need to visit the website cftra.res.in. Here in the announcements, you need to click on View All. Click on the online application. Since we are registering for the first time, click here on the Register or Login button. Sign up, fill in your details such as your name. Yeah. Now we click on the Register button. Yeah. So we have registered successfully and an SMS sent to your registered mobile number. In the SMS, you will find your login credentials for the CFTRA application form. Now you need to click on the register or login button again. Now this time you will be clicking on login because you already have your username. Proceed for online application. Registration number. Upload your recent passport size photograph. The photo dimensions should not exceed, like the file size should not exceed 100 KB. Now your mailing address. Sure, whatever the category you are filling out the form for or form with, except for the UR and the OBC creamy layer category, you should have the category certificate for yourself and which would be required at the time of your counseling if you get selected. For the payment, I'll just show you. In the online application, you need to click on the SBI Collect. So when you click on SBI Collect, you will find an option named as payment category. You need to click on HRD inside that. And once you click on HRD, you need to proceed with the application or the payment verification. Herein, you need to you will get an option of choose category of payment. You need to select application form. You need to write your name, address, mobile number, the reference or advertisement number, email ID, details of course fee, and any other details if there has to be mentioned. All these things will be mentioning over here. So address, whatever the address you have. See, these special characters are not allowed, so please make sure to look for it. And for the reference or advertisement number, many of the students have often asked me for reference or advertisement number. You have to fill MSc FT 2024-26 batch. Okay. Now amount. Amount you should fill as application fees for SC, ST, PWD candidates is 1000 rupees. Application fees for other candidates is 2000 rupees. So whatever the category you belong to, you need to put in the amount as such or as applicable. Now all these details would be filled. You have to confirm all the details, click on next. Then you can choose any of the bank or net banking wherever you want to do the payment for. And this is how your SBI Collect or transaction e-receipt would be found. Just make sure to take the screenshot of it or just save the page for it. Now coming back to the application form, herein you need to put in your transaction number, the amount that you have paid, the date of the payment. Let's say I'm paying it today, so it is maybe 15th of May, and you need to upload the fee payment transaction PDF that you have downloaded or taken the screenshot for. Now, preferred place of examination, you can select three places where you want to give the examination: Mysuru, Ghaziabad, Guwahati, IIT Guwahati. Then Kolkata, Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, and Thiruvananthapuram. All of these are the categories that you can select, or the states or the places wherein you can, ask your examination center for. So let's just select any three of them. Now, particulars of parent or guardian, name of the parent, relation, if employed, then employment, contact address name, contact address number. If employed, details of employment along with contact address number. So, yes, parents or guardians mobile number. Now, in the education details, you have to fill the SSLC or SSC or equivalent name of the school of your 10th, class 10th, whichever school you have studied from. Now, subjects, whatever subjects were included or whatever the degree is, your degree is, let's say my degree is BSc microbiology. So I'll just write microbiology over here. Now, year of passing, if you are a passed out candidate, for example, you have passed out in 2023, your whatever the percentage you had in your entire BSc or BTech or graduation, you need to put in the percentage over here. So percentage you can calculate as such. You must be having the grade point or you must be having the GPA for your, the GPA of the university that you have studied from. So with the GPA, you can just, into 10, you can do it and it would be your percentage that you'll get. Okay. And in case you directly have the percentage, then you can write that down here as well. But just in case you have not passed out your bachelor's, you are currently pursuing your bachelor's and your result is awaited for the final semester, then what you can do is you can put in the percentage of the marks that you are obtained in the pre-final semester. Let's say I had 5 subjects in the pre-final semester, considering 100 marks for each subject. So approximately I have got 420 marks. That is approximately my percentage would be around 60% or 70%. You can calculate the percentage like that and you can give the grade according to your university criteria, right? The name of the degree course that you have done, let's say BSc microbiology. The duration for the course, either 6 semesters, 3 years, or 8 semesters, 4 years, year of passing. Marks obtained, again, marks obtained you have to mention. Here also, if you have not, completed your degree, then you will be putting out the marks for your pre-final semester. Okay. And if you have completed your degree, then you can do it for the final year. The CGPA obtained, CGPA converted to percentage, like I mentioned. Into 10, you can do it, or into 9.8 as per your university guidelines. If you have the document for calculation of percentage, in case grade declaration is there, it must be provided. If you have, you can click on yes. If you don't have, you can click on no. Up to which year, which semester or year marks are provided. So herein you have to clearly mention if you are in the final semester of your exam or final semester of your degree actually. So you have to mention that this is the marks obtained in 2025 in the semester 7th or in the semester 5th. Okay. If you are graduated, then you can mention it as 6th or 8th and whatever your year of passing is. Again, just read this note as well. If the final mark sheet or grade cards are not available at the time of submitting the application form, it may be communicated to us in the above format, mentioned all the details and quoting the unique registration number to hrd@cftri.res.in. However, mark sheet or grade cards received after 25th of July 2025 will not be considered and application will be rejected. So make sure if you don't have the final mark sheet right now, that is absolutely fine. But before 25th of July, you should have your mark sheets in your hand. Now you need to upload these documents, that is the proof of date of birth, the graduation marks card, all semesters or years in single PDF. So compile all the mark sheets into one single PDF and upload it here. Caste, EWS, defense, or industry sponsored proof certificate, disability certificate, parents or guardians, latest income tax return filed, or income proof. So, this many students have again asked this question to me that whether we have to, whether we, if we are belonging to the UR category, or if we don't, we are from the unreserved category, then also do we have to fill in the income proof? Then yes, you have to, put in the income proof certificate over here. Income tax return should be filed, and try to get this as soon as possible. You can ask your parents to fill out the income tax return, and you need to have this income proof over here, and you need to upload it. Any other, if you feel anything is relevant, you can add that. And nationality certificate, in case you are a foreign candidate, then you need to also fill in the or put in the nationality certificate as well. So you need to save the application form. And yes, this is all about the CFTRA application form. If you have any doubts in the CFTRA application forms, then use the comment box below, or you can message us on the given WhatsApp number, and we'll happy to help you out with the same. And now it's the time that Agrivision for You is here with the crash course for CFTRA, wherein we would be revising all the topics in the syllabus of CFTRA, as well as covering the new syllabus that they have recently changed in the year 2025. So do join the classes and make your dream destination your reality. That's it for this video. Thank you so much.